Hi, I'm going to continue with the e-commerce sales Excel activity, and I'm going to show you how to make the graph. Just made the table with our formulas, and now we're ready to make a graph. So I'm going to highlight up here again with the wider fat crisscross, highly technical term there, and I'm going to highlight just my first 9 rows and column ABC. And it's okay to go ahead and get your labels in. That will actually be of help. Don't highlight anything extra here or your average or differences. That will cause problems. So again, just highlight that part of your table. And then you're going to insert. And I like just clicking the recommended tables that are right here, and you can either do a line graph, or if you want, could do a column. Or you could click right here and choose one of the line graphs here as well. Okay, and I'm just going to choose this one. I can make it bigger if I want. Size by the corner is helpful. And now I'm just going to dress this up a little bit, and I might go ahead and change my title. And I'm going to give it some axis titles and data labels. So from the chart design tab, come over here to add chart element. So to make sure that this shows up, I have to have the table or the chart highlighted. So click, and then this shows up as my options. And you can see there's some other ones here if you want to dress it up a little bit. They have some automatic here, some automatic formats here, and if you want, you can even change the colors. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. So I'm just going to leave it as it was in the traditional. All right. And then I'm going to add a chart element. I'm going to add some axis titles. And it'll pop in the little text boxes there. And I also think it's a good idea to add data labels. And that's going to put the actual numbers from my table onto the chart. And you can play around with what works. I like above. And there it is. Okay. And then I would just go ahead and click on my axis titles, these little text boxes, and fill those in. The sideways one is tricky. You have to use your up and down arrows and then your delete key to backspace. Kind of tricky. All right, so something like that. And you've got it. And then all you need to do is save the file and turn it into Canvas, just like you would any other assignment. All right, thanks folks.